Yeah, you can kind of see I'm liking how this is. Starting to kind of bounce here a little bit. Looking pretty good and pretty steady. Trying to hold up definitely as we see here. Kind of going back and forth. Right now Shiba is trying to pick back up as Bitcoin has recently rose a little bit more. Starting to kind of bounce here a little bit. Looking pretty good and pretty. Trying to go back above the 1900s, definitely as we start to kind of move a little bit. Liking the way this is. Holding pretty strong, that's for sure. Remember guys, you never want to invest more than you can actually lose. You never want to be an emotional trader. Definitely if you invest way more than you can lose, you start panic selling, stuff like that. You see a lot of different momentum trades, definitely. Right now for my Patreon members, I just actually gave a chart out, definitely on Discord, about patterns, stuff like that, definitely for technical analysis. You can also get Discord access on my Patreon. Make sure you check that out. Currently right now we're trading for 1890, around 10% loss here. Shiba Swap could help it out as more and more people start using it to trade, and it's supposed to have lower fees. So that is a huge, huge indicator there. You still kind of see Bitcoin's trying to rise back up to around 50,000. Also Ethereum back above 4,000. Currently trying to rise, definitely with the RSI kind of going down. See, a lot of people definitely FOMO into trades, stuff like that. You should really learn chart patterns, finding resistance and support levels. That will help you a lot. Definitely on your journey here. Because currently right now, a lot of these trades are definitely going to see active movement. Definitely with them being this small, you can find good entry and exit points, making good scalping opportunities. But overall, you know, if we get Shiba Swap on there and it helps a lot with exchange, you'll see a lot more traders definitely getting in and out, kind of holding through, pushing it here. Am I day trading this? No, I'm not. I'm actually day trading other cryptocurrencies. Kind of focusing on Shiba as well, along with other cryptocurrencies as we're waiting on the dip. Waiting for good opportunities, trying to find some patterns here. I'm holding basically the basic coins here. I got some of my long-term portfolio and my scalping portfolio, stuff like that. Like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin. I got Algo, ADA, XRP. Remember guys, I'm not a financial advisor. It's just any entertainment purposes only. Make sure you guys hit that like button. Also subscribe. Get 2 free stocks with Webull. You can deposit $100 using the link down below. Right now, we're kind of seeing more and more price action as Shiba and Dogecoin kind of going back and forth here. I'm liking the way we're moving here. The overall crypto market is kind of going sideways, so this is a good opportunity to find some entry points. Definitely for maybe a market recovery and seeing maybe a good 20 to 40% scalp on some of these coins. Definitely if the market does start to pick back up here soon. Right now, Shiba is going to be a volume-based play. So we're going to need more and more catalysts as the RSI is currently at 42. Looks like we may try to leg back up here. Got really close to the support of 1851. You can definitely kind of see here. I've already made profits. You can kind of see here VT chain back to 1826 here. A lot of people's been definitely trading it. Yeah, I know, I forgot the E, Adam. But, I mean, I don't think I've ever said, like, I've never said that coin actually out loud. Yeah, I don't think I ever have. Like, I know Ethereum, though. Ethereum, a lot of people had ran up, definitely. My long-term portfolio, Ethereum's up pretty good. You can kind of see it here. So basically on how you find a support level, so in a downtrend, each lower low will be considered a support. So each lower high will also be a resistance level. You have to look at the chart and kind of see in like an uptrend, you'll have the opposite definitely. As when a higher peak will happen, it will become a resistance level. As you can see, sometimes you have support and resistance level that a lot of traders definitely use for a lot of big price action. Like the other day, we bounced from 1851 all the way up to 2390, breaking back through that, hit that 8 times. We hit 2390 8 times, and we still have not broke above it. And 2390 is a huge resistance level here. Like 2200, 2300, we've kind of been resisting those, but usually we break through, basically bouncing off of a high of around 2390. That is when a lot of people, a lot of traders actually start to kind of take profits. And that is what we're kind of seeing here. We're seeing around 10 to 15% gains where people is taking profits. That is why the last few days we've been bouncing from around 1900s to around the 2300 range. Definitely. A lot of people take profits at these resistance and support levels. They use them as exit and entry points. That is for sure. I kind of hope that answered your question. Definitely kind of see here, we're seeing some buying momentum picking up, definitely as we had bounced off of the 1850. Let's see here. See, Bitcoin is still kind of consolidating here, not seeing much movement. See, a lot of people are starting to kind of move back and forth. Definitely, as it's starting to get above 1900, we may try to press back up to around the 2000. Only if we could hold up, though. A lot of the market is currently sideways. You're seeing it in Bitcoin right now, definitely. Bitcoin staying around the 49.5 to 50,000 here. You can definitely kind of see we're still seeing a little bit more selling pressure here. I'm actually going to start, you know, kind of helping my Patreon members a little bit learn about technical analysis, learning how to find support and resistance levels. Also, I just recently posted up on my Patreon, on my Discord, a chart here that they can follow to kind of see when exit and entry points are, definitely for some patterns there, and also explaining a little bit about those patterns. Still kind of see down around 10% here. Yeah, it's been kind of following Bitcoin a lot, but the overall market is.
When it comes to emotion, makes me start choking, so I sit by the ocean. I spent my last buck on a bottle of whiskey, drunk and broke, sitting here in Missouri. I made my mind up how I'm going. I got nowhere to go, don't know where I'm going. I do one thing is true wherever I go. I'm gonna need you, we just can't let each other go now. We're too close to ever slow down. The only one who keeps my chin up when you touch my lips. We're like two dogs stuck cold. Cold beer, don't you ever worry. I am right here, never live without you. Look here what I'm out to. No, talking about cold beer, don't you ever worry. I'm right here, never live without you. I'll pick you up, I'll take you home, sit on my couch, turn off my phone, cause I love your taste, love your smell. Who'd have ever thought that we could do so well? Hell, I guess we're meant for each other, so like the microphone in my buddy Bruce Buffer, I can't really express my joy, sort of like a scrap between all's good and bad, where I can't take my eyes off you. Went to rehab, thought that I lost you, but now we're back together with a vengeance. Must be my little Irish descendants. It feels pretty good to get this off my chest, even though people saying Jesse's obsessed. Well, maybe I am, maybe you're right. One thing that I know, it was love at first sight. Yeah, cold beer, don't you ever worry. I'm right here, I'd never live without you. I wouldn't even want to. Cold beer, don't you ever worry. I'm right here, never live without you. You don't care what I'm out to. I wish I was more instruments so I could solo, but I'm not going to Well, I'm sitting on my stoop, feeling kinda lonely. Me and Brenda fighting, so I called up the homies. Goodbyes, busy hanging out. In front of Sobeys, there's only one little fella who really knows me. He comes in a little brown bottle of can, sits in my hand till I can barely stand. He's part of the family, he's part of the team. Took me under his wing when I was just a teen. Every time he comes around, it always takes me back to when I had a fake ID and a little dirt stash. Hit a road so cold pop, 2, 4, 1, pop, top, twist, stop. Tall boy, cold shot beer, cold beer. Don't you ever worry, I'm right here. I never live without you. You'll kill me, I'm out to. Cold beer, don't you ever worry, I'm right here, I never live without you. I wouldn't even want to. That kid looks just like you.
That's my kid.
Yeah. Getting more and more bigger exchanges to pick up Shiba. See, a lot of these actually shadow Bitcoin. Overall market though. Make sure you guys hit that like button, also subscribe. The two free stocks is legal in the deposit $100 down below. Any code crypto and Dogelon are legal now. Currently,
the pictures tell the story. This life had many shades. I'd wake up every morning and before I'd start each day, I'd take a drag from last night's cigarette that smoldered in its tray. Down a little something, then be on my way. I traveled far and wide, laid his head in many ports. I was guided by a compass, I saw beauty to the north. I drew the tales of many lives and wore the faces of my own. I had these memories all around me so I wouldn't be alone. Some may be from showing up, others are from growing up. Sometimes I was so messed up and didn't have a clue. I ain't winning no one over, I wear it just for you. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo, in a rose tattoo, in a rose tattoo. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo. This one's for the mighty sea, mischief, golden piracy. This one's for the man that raised me, taught me sacrifice and bravery. This one's for our favorite game, black and gold, we wave the flag. This one's for my family name, with pride I'll wear it to the grave. Some may be from showing up, others are from growing up. Sometimes I was so messed up and didn't have a clue. I ain't winning no one over, I wear it just for you. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo, in a rose tattoo, in a rose tattoo. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo, in a rose tattoo, in a rose tattoo. I got your name written here in a rose tattoo. This means the most to me. It stays up for eternity. A shirt that always stays the course, an anchor for my every choice. A rose that shines down from above. I sign and seal these words in blood. I heard them one song in a song, and played again, and we sang along.
Now you know, understand a little bit how blues can actually affect that in a swing state. That's for sure.
You'll always be here with me, even if you're gone. You'll always have my love.